we will be checking this app called Predictor Aviator app. This is Aviator Premium app and it has a lot of websites. So in this video I'll be showing you guys everything. I'll be exposing everything in this app, mainly the code option. Don't pay anybody for the activation code. Watch this video to the end. Welcome, this is Amos online technique. In this video we'll be diving into Aviator app. Note, this video is for educational purposes. I don't gamble, I don't play bet. I'm here just to help you to avoid paying any online scammers money to get this Aviator Predictor code. Just watch closely as I'm about to show you the code in this video. I'm going to explain to you why this app is fake. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell, like my videos, so that whenever I post a video, YouTube will send you a notification that Amos online technique has posted a video. And please, if you have any app you want me to mod, any online hustle app that says you should pay for activation code, don't forget to send it to my WhatsApp, or you can message me on my Telegram. My Telegram group link is under the description. Also, it will be there for you to join my group. Thank you. Let's move further on the Aviator Predictor app. So here is the app, and then if you notice, it have a lot of betting websites. Note, I don't bet, I don't gamble. I'm just showing you guys why you shouldn't pay anybody for this activation code, and I will be showing you guys this activation code here so that you see it out. So look at this and you see the signals loading. Once it loads, it's gonna tell you to put activation code. Here is it. Then let's try to put a random activation code, and you see it says incorrect ID. So let me go to the MT manager and get the code for you while I put it back here. I'm now inside my MT manager. This is the app name, it's called Predictor Premium. So let me go dive in and show you everything. So now I've already gotten there. Let me click on this, and then here is the activation code, I mean to say. Then I'll move back to the app and then tap on it. Then I'll clear these ones and then paste the activation code here, and then I will log in. Then boom, here it is. So this is the trick they use. Once you've let's say you've purchased the activation code from them, then they will give it to you. Then you put it here and click on get signals. It says server connected, and it's doing, you can check. So you can also match this with your Aviator on your phone, on the website you're using, so and see if it actually works. So I've already shown you guys the code. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and then turn on the notification bell. Please like this video as well, because I've already tipped in to expose this app on how everything is. So you've already seen the activation code. So if you want anything further, you can message me on WhatsApp with this number here on the screen, and or you can join my Telegram group. Join my Telegram group via the link in the description. See you guys in my next video. Peace out and one love.